Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to use document scanning from MLKit in native Android application. So firstly I will show you the output. So I have this button called scan document, and when I click on it I will try to scan this document. So yeah, let's see the demo. So I will click on the scan document button, and here you can see that it is trying to auto capture it. If you want to keep it manual, you can do that as well. Now here you can see that it has auto captured my documentation, and if I click on done, I am showing that image inside an image view using coil. So that's one thing. But suppose if you don't want it in an image, you want it in a PDF, you can do that as well. Unfortunately the PDF part I won't be able to show you, because what I'm trying to do, I will show you the code. The output I can't show you because once I get the URI for PDF, like even though you are scanning an image, you can convert it to PDF. Once you get the URI for PDF, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to share that PDF immediately. But suppose you don't want to share the PDF immediately, you want to display it within your app. I have already made a separate video on my channel on how to display PDF using PDF renderer in a recycler view. So if you are curious, you can watch that video as well. So yeah, let's get started. So first what you will have to do is, so go to build.gradle.kts. This you will have to add this dependency. At the time of this recording it is still in beta. I don't think it would change drastically. If you are curious, you can check this documentation as well. So this is the documentation for it. So yeah, in case if anything changes by the time you are watching it, you can refer this doc. I don't think much would change. So add this dependency. Again, check what version it is available on currently. And I have also added coil to display the image from an image URI inside our image view. Then just click on sync now. Inside Android manifest, yeah, I'll come back to this later on. And inside activity underscore main, I have just taken a button as well as an image view to display the image. Now if you go to my code, I have taken variable for our button and image view. Here we are creating an option, so I am just using GMH document scanner options. I have set the page limit as true. Set gallery import, I have kept it as false, but if you want, you can keep it as true. Now how you want the result format to be, I have kept both formats. Like technically you should not keep both formats, you should either keep JPEG or PDF. Now it would depend on you. If you require only JPEG, you can remove this. If you require only PDF, only keep PDF, remove JPEG. Scanner mode, I have kept it as full and have built it. Then we need to pass this option to our GMH document scanning.get client. Then we are using register for activity result over here. Once we get the result as okay, we are constructing a document result from GMH document scanning result dot from activity result intent, and we are passing the result dot data to it. Once you pass the result dot data, and suppose you have only kept JPEG over here, you will get result something like this, like doc result dot pages. For pages in pages, you will get multiple pages. Okay, so currently I am only getting one page because I know I am only scanning one document. That's why I'm only getting the first image URI. So this is an array. I'm only getting the first image URI and I'm loading inside an image view. If you know you will get multiple pages, suppose here you have kept it as multiple page limit, and you know user can scan multiple pages, you should use a recycler view. Or if you are using Jetpack Composer, lazy vstack, I guess, something like that, lazy list, something like that. I don't remember that composable name, but yeah, something like that. But if you are using XML, you should use recycler view. Okay, and inside on create, on button click, I have just initialized button view and image view, and on button click I am just calling scanner.get start scan intent, and on success listener I'm just calling scanner launcher.launch, and here we are just passing that intent and calling build. In failure, I'm just displaying an error message. Okay, so this is for image. If you want to get a PDF as well, so firstly you will have to keep format as PDF, then you can comment this out. Then for PDF you will have to write this bit of code. So I'll just comment this out. PDF you can write something like this, and here you will get the page count. You can pass the PDF URI, And here what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to share that PDF as soon as the PDF is constructed to other apps. If you don't want to share it, you can comment this all thing out. You can I comment this as well, and with this PDF URI you can watch my video of PDF renderer, how to render a PDF using recycler view using PDF renderer with a URI. So you can follow that video later on. But if you want to share it, apart from adding this bit of code, you also need to, inside XML you will have to add this file underscore paths.xml, add this bit of code, and also inside Android manifest you will have to add this bit of code as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.